Imagine cruising down the highway in a luxury vehicle so futuristic, people can't help but stop and stare. This isn't just any RV. This is a transparent motorhome that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, designed for those who want to travel in style without leaving behind the feeling of a billionaire lifestyle. From the outside, the motorhome's body is made of high-tech, see-through composite panels that give it a sleek, spaceship-like appearance. But don't worry, they're tinted with smart glass technology, so you can control the opacity with the push of a button. Want privacy? Tap the button. Want to enjoy panoramic views of the mountains, the beach, or the city skyline? Tap again. And it's all there. Step inside, and you're greeted with a living space that redefines road luxury. Think heated marble, floors, touch-screen walls, mood lighting that adapts to your environment, and even a built-in personal assistant that responds to voice commands. The furniture? Fully customizable Italian leather recliners that convert into massage chairs. The kitchen? A chef's dream. Compact yet high-end, with a hidden induction stove, a built-in espresso machine, and a smart fridge that tells you what ingredients you're running out of. The bedroom area feels like a 5-star hotel suite. A king-size bed with memory foam, retractable skylight ceiling for stargazing, and hidden storage compartments that open with fingerprint sensors. There's even a full bathroom with a rain shower, a smart mirror that gives you news updates while you brush, and temperature controls for the floors and water. But let's not forget about the driver's cabin. It's like sitting in the cockpit of a private jet. The dash is fully digital, the seats are air-cushioned and self-adjusting, and it has an AI driving assistant that helps with navigation, traffic alerts, and even semi-autonomous driving modes. This motorhome isn't just for getting from A to B. It's about experiencing the journey in the most luxurious way possible. With a price tag reaching into the millions, it's not for everyone. But if you ever get the chance to step inside one of these, you'll understand exactly why it's called the Billionaire's Road Palace. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machines like this.